My name's Rob Jules, I'm a dairy farmer in Kent. We run 2 herds on 2 separate holdings at 1,500 head of cattle between them, predominantly British Friesians, supplying them into Arla. We're doing all our own work in-house, just trying to run a productive dairy business basically. Well, our customers are everyday person on the street that buys dairy produce. They're expecting the same thing every day at the same price, which has to be competitive with everybody else that's on the market. One of the biggest challenges at the moment facing any dairy business is basically your cost of production. It's keeping a cap on the costs, knowing what you've got to spend to produce the product that the consumer's expecting, and trying to do that with the least amount of surprises possible. We've had the Cat 924K for just over a year now. It does basically most of our heavy handling on the farm. It does all of the loading of the feeder wagon right through the year. It does all the buck raking on the silage clamp all the time, and it also does quite a bit of the straw handling when we're bringing straw in for the cattle for the winter. It's basically our go-to handling machine on the farm. The 924 has done about 1,170 odd hours in a year. It's spread all across feeding all the time, so it's getting hours on it every day through the winter as well as the summer. Longer days in the summer on the buck raking and straw moving. It's getting a lot of hours put on it. It's bought to do the work and it has to get on with the job. The only issues that we've had with the 924 are, I think we've had one oil seal go on it, and it was remedied straight away. So over those 1,100 hours we've had very, very little trouble with this at all. It's been a very reliable machine, very pleased with the purchase. We run all sorts of machines on the farm. We tend to stick with dealers that offer us better service because all machines have their own issues, and it's the backup and the reliability that is the biggest factor when it comes to buying machines. And everything's all done by ourselves, so we run quite a lot of high-end kit, try and keep it fresh because we do a lot of hours, so we tend to turn the machinery over fairly quickly. So reliability and backup is the big key thing with our equipment. I definitely recommend this machine to anyone else in the agricultural industry. For a varied range of tasks. It's a very comprehensive machine. It's easy to use. It's got great operator comfort. It's frugal. It's reliable. It's everything you'd want in a wheel loader. It's well within its capabilities, whatever you put in front of it.